Hi everyone, it's Kat, your librarian here in Morristown, and today I'm going to read the book Love from the Crayons by Drew Daywalt and Oliver Jeffers. This is with permission from Penguin Workshop. Love is red because love comes in all shapes and sizes. Love is purple because love has its own imagination. Love is brown because sometimes love stinks. Love is gray because love can be small and soft or big and strong. Love is white because sometimes love is hard to see. Love is green because love is helpful. They're being helpful by recycling. Love is yellow and orange because love is sunny and warm. Love is blue because sometimes love is stormy. Love is pink because love can be silly. Love is peach because sometimes love can hide. Love is black because love isn't always bright and colorful. Love is every color. Let's look at all the colors of love that we could be. I want you to think about what color your love is today. I think today my love is green because I'm here to help.